Good morning, everyone. A new day, a start fresh and new day, new opportunities. I am Rishika Dole of 10A, standing in front of you all to conduct today's morning assembly. So I request the band team for the prayer.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of each dish and very heritage, culture, language and religion. I should always strive to be worthy of it. I should respect my parents, teachers and elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In your well-being and prosperity alone lies in happiness.
Good morning to one all present here. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver the importance of today's date in history. April 11th is the 101st day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. April 11th is celebrated as the National Safe Motherhood Day. April 11th is also observed as the National Pet Day. On April 11, 1919, the International Labour Organization was founded. On this day in 1924, first men's college swimming championship began. On this day in 1927, India's brave thinker, social worker Jyotiba Phule was born. On this day in 1970, Apollo 13 was launched to moon. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
For you to deliver today's speech and the topic is goal, importance of the goal. So what is a goal? A goal is an idea of the future or desired result that a person or a group of people envision, plan and commit to achieve. A well-known goal will increase your willingness to succeed. By establishing the importance of goal will imply you give yourself a concentrated destination in one's future. Goal setting is important to you if you want to locate your future. Goals set your vision and help you to clarify who you want to be in the future. Having goals will want to be in the future. Having goals define your purpose in the business and gives us a measurable path and plan to create your future. Setting goals makes in the direction.
A very warm good morning to one and all present in the morning assembly. I'm Anamika Vinna of class 10A standing in front of you to deliver the top news headlines of last 24 hours. Let's start with some international news. As the Ukraine war breaks on Russia, India seeks way to keep defense rate aloft. Taiwan detects 59 Chinese military planes, 11 warships near island. Pakistan is reeling under skyrocketing inflation as cash-strapped government struggles to stabilize economy. Roadside bomb kills 2 soldiers in northwest Pakistan. Pakistan Taliban claims responsibility. Secondly, here's some national news. Supreme Court to hear on April 10 backdrop peace on identification of minorities at state level. India does not believe in conflict between ecology and economy, says PM Modi.
morning to all your present this morning. Today's word of the day is make new friends but keep the old because old is gold. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to congratulate our class 10A group of students who have attended us really well. As we always know, without setting a goal, it's really difficult for us to achieve what we want to achieve. 20 years from now, how you would be living your life should not be starting after 20 years. You should be starting from today. Prepare well and set the goal. And I have seen any student who set the goal in advance, they do not feel sad at the end of the academic year. Even if
all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage, culture, language, and religion. I shall always strive to be loyal of it.
Everyone present in this morning assembly. I am Garima Bora of class 10A standing in front of you all to deliver today's importance of the day in history. April 12 is the 102nd day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. 263 days remain until the end of the year. On this day, in 1961, Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet citizen, carried out the first human space
A
flight.
very warm morning to one and all present in this morning assembly. Today I am here standing in front of you to deliver the top news headlines of last 24 hours. Firstly, beginning with the international news. Sri Lanka's local body elections delayed due to lack of funds. UK to give away 1 million free vaping kits to help smokers quit cigarettes. Miles-long trench dug by Russians found in Ukraine as war intensifies. Secondly, here are some national news. India to soon conduct trial run of its first underwater metro. Police officer places order on eco-firm his details get leaked to scammers. Congress questions LIC's increased holding in Adani Enterprise despite 60% drop in market values of stocks. And lastly, here are some state news. Experts best for empowerment of Assam's trans community. BJP will return to power by winning over 300 LS seats in next year. 9 exotic primates recovered from Hola in Qatar. That's all from today's news headlines. Thank you and have a great day.
Teaching is not a mission, it's a process. A very good morning to one and all present here, Sister Shirley, members of the teaching staff, and your my dear personalities. This is Kuldeep Kalita standing in front of you to give a short speech on the topic learning. As I've said the word learning, I guess everyone had thought we know what is learning. And that's where we went wrong. Because as we say the word learn, it means it's never ending. Learning is infinite. If I know to learn, then I can learn in my lifetime. As we say, we have learned. For example, if one person is speaking about something and even not listening to them, if we have guessed ourselves or if we have taught ourselves that we know what the one is speaking, then at that time we are stuck in learning. Because learning is limitless. It is open for all. One must learn in order to implement the ideas, the thoughts which he have learned in his real life in order to improve him, in order to change him. But we are not doing so. Firstly, let me tell you, how do we change? The first one is we get pressurized by our parents or friends. We are shown the fear of something or in the greed of something we used to learn. For example, some of the students, they don't like coming to school, reading books and all stuff, but still they are compelled to do. Why? Because there is a favor behind it, so that they can learn, they can achieve the degree degree, get a job and earn money. Let's say they have been graduated, they have got a job, and when they have got a job, the job is something dealing with a machine. Even though the one is not interested in machine or in mechanics and all, but still he has to learn that machine in order to earn money because there is a favor behind it. So the one who is even not willing to learn or work with the machine, he also has to learn the machine. He will work every day and will try to learn how the machine works. And at a time, such point will come, he has extreme the level of master and will be expert at manipulating, or he will be expert at working with the machine.
Dear my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of each rich and varied heritage, culture, language, and religion. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity along lies my goals.
Good morning to one and all present in the morning assembly. I am Rashika Dole of 10 years standing in front of you to deliver the top news headlines of last 24 hours. With some sport news. RR Sandeep Sharma Hall not seen trading last hour win despite MS Dhoni come for CSK. MS Dhoni special got for honor to mark 1000 appearance as CSK's keeper. That's all from the morning news headlines. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Meghalas from class 10A standing here to deliver the important event that took place in history. April 30 is the 103rd day according to the Gregorian calendar and 262 days remaining until the end of the year. On this day in 1699, Guru Gobind Singh from the Khalsa, so to commemorate this day, Baisakhi is celebrated every year. On this day in 1919, Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place at Amritsar, which is also known as Amritsar massacre. In 1960, the world's first satellite navigation system was launched. On this day in 1997, Tiger Woods became the youngest golfer to win the Masters.
Good morning, one and all present here. It's me, Junali Kuli, standing in front of you to deliver a very short speech on the topic changes, yani badlav. Changes allows you to see what's important to you. It can be anything, career paths, a relationship. Changes help us become more conscious about our life. Changes help us become more focused in our life and know what we want out of it. Change is necessary in every aspect of our life to improve our lifestyle and behavior. But many of the people don't like changes, like the class students of our school. When the sections are changed, it's very tough for us to adapt to it. But जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. Like if there were no changes in our past, many social evils like sati and polygamy would still have been existed and it would be a great threat to our society. So lastly, as a conclusion, I would like to say, मैं ये नहीं कह सकती कि बदलाव से सब कुछ बेहतर होगा, पर